Patience, creative. You did not learn to walk in a day. You didn't learn to ride a bike or play an instrument or cook in a day. You did not learn how to drive a car in a day or do your job in a day. There is nothing that is worthwhile that you learn how to do in a day. If you are entering into the arts, if you are learning to create anything from story to song, it's going to take more than a day. It is going to take effort and passion and determination. It's going to take the choice to continue forward no matter how much you're afraid. And it is going to happen, but not in a day. The hardest part for us as creatives is that the pieces of art we look up to took a lot of time to make. What I mean by that is the person who made them has been doing this for years. Even if they tossed that piece of art out in 20 minutes, the fact is that it took them years to get to the point where they could do that. But all we see is the end result, which we admire the heck out of, and we see a professional going really fast and we go, why can't I do that? You're not there yet. Patience, you can get there, but it takes time. There's an old expression, something along the lines of, oh yes, an overnight sensation after having worked hard for 20 years. Your artistic thing is worth that effort, but it's going to take patience. I'm on that road. Every artist you know is on that road. You are not alone. So have patience with yourself, have patience with your work, and keep going. Keep learning. Don't let anything get in your way. If you fall, get back up again. If that piece didn't work, start another. You can do this, creatives. You are not alone on this road, and your art is worth that effort. Now sit down with me and let's make something new.